What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm doing another vlog today, and I'm actually on my way to pick up my little sister because it's her birthday today. So shout out to you, sis. But anyway, so her spoiled behind is turning 15, and before I even leave to go pick her up, I actually have to stop at the store to get a couple things, and then and then I'm gonna go get her. I have to go all the way to New Jersey by myself. Like, I haven't taken a super long, like, because mind you, like, my mom's house is literally, I would say like an hour and 30, like an hour and 50 minutes, depending on whether or not I feel like paying the toll. So it's a long drive, like, it's not fun. But anyway, so I'm taking it by myself. This is actually the first time I'm riding to my mom's house by myself, so I'm a little nervous just because, again, like, that's almost like an hour and 50 minutes. That's really long. It's really long. So this is my little outfit of the day. Nothing too crazy. You know, the lighting in my house isn't the best, but I got these high-waisted jeans from Fashion Nova. This bodysuit is from Fashion Nova. These shoes are from Fashion Nova. This jean jacket is basically the only thing that's not from Fashion Nova that I'm wearing. And truth be told, I got it from my best friend's mom, so I'm not 100% sure where she got it from. But yeah, nothing too crazy, you know, cute, simple, you know. I wanted to stop at the store to see if I can possibly get like the mount that I can actually like mount it to my car, so I can actually be talking to you guys while I'm driving over there. If not, it's no biggie, but if they do, it'll help make things a little bit easier. But yeah, other videos, alright. Can you leave me alone? Oh, look at the birthday girl thinking she cute. Go ahead, child. Ew. How old are you again? Acting like that. Your giant forehead. You can't beat me though. Right, I don't. Pull your wig back, like. First of all, I'll snatch that little braid, that $2.99 braid here. You try to pop on the top of your head, try to act like it's yours. Girl, bye. Alright guys, so I was able to pick my sister up. I actually didn't vlog as much inside as I wanted to, just because my parents are very like closed off, and there was a little bit of tension because my dad's petty. But anyway, so I picked my sister up. Oh, look at her. Thinking she cute. Can you get out of here? But yeah, so I actually just have to quick stop over at my older brother's house and talk to him, and then we're gonna be on the road. It's already dumb late. It's like 8 something. I was not expecting to be here this freaking late, but it is what it is. Not even soda. Yo, he said I'll bring the juice. So we just pulled up to my older brother's house, and as soon as I turn my car off, he goes, oh, can you take me to the store quick? So now I'm taking him to the store. So I'm waiting on him now, and it's mad late. Y'all, you want to be all up in the camera, and all of a sudden you don't want to be up in the camera when I'm vlogging. Shut up, nigger. It's like, I don't know what you do. Yeah, he know better to get it back.
Sisters!
So
is all this stuff back? What is all this?
I'm vlogging, by the way.
Huh?
I'm vlogging.
She's vlogging for her little YouTube channel.
When now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Well, what am I doing on here?
Apparently you want to be in it since you want me to take you to the store.
I don't, but I guess if I'm in it, I'm in it. How y'all doing out there?
You're
In the social media world, how are you guys?
You sound all professional and whatnot for no reason.
I am professional.
Anyway, where's my birthday gift? Today,
Yeah.
let's say happy
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Yay!
Alright, you gonna mess my hair up.
It's in the house. If your sister don't come on, so we go to the store and get back in the house.
Whatever.
I needed it. All you gotta
This
do is save
looks
your
mad
money.
nice.
All you gotta do is save money, sis.
I'm jealous.
Listen, you know when I stayed with Regina, you know I stayed with Regina a whole year, right?
Yeah.
I saved all my money. That's what you gotta do. You gotta save. Sometimes you gotta make sacrifices.
Oh, you know what you should do? You should buy me a gym membership.
Dang, this is all nice.
Shit, you go on my gym membership.
I'm trying to hit the gym. Like, I'm trying to get fit.
Oh, yo, we used to have this table, but it was bigger.
Well,
Remember this, John? Remember it had 6 though instead of the 4. I feel like everybody in your mom's house this table.
yeah, I seen that table. I said that's a nice table there. You know, I needed something small because it ain't like an actual dining room.
I'm taking this couch.
Oh yeah, you can go check it. You can go through.
Sure.
The light is gonna be in the background on the right hand side.
Let me see. On the bathroom, you got the candle. Dang, yo, your house is decked out.
That thing popping, sis.
It is. It is big old mirror. So, like, when are you gonna give me something for my house?
Or whenever when you come down, you'll never come down.
First of all, you expect me to drive 2 whole hours down here and nobody's willing to drive all the way down to me?
Look, you like these?
What is it?
See.
Oh, those are cute. You giving me a pair?
Maybe for your birthday.
Oh my gosh. First of all, you haven't
August. Look.
you haven't given me a birthday present in how many years?
Years. That's because you ain't been around. That's why.
Whose fault is that? You guys. So first of all, it takes 2.
Well,
Everybody named moms expects me to always have to drive down here.
Well, listen. Why don't you come on, move to Jersey? Come on down here.
Jersey's mad expensive. You paying my bills?
I can't. I got bills.
Right.
But
I'm supposed to fend for myself, and this expensive. Then on top of that, the traffic laws down here is ridiculous. You can get in trouble for talking on the phone.
how much you pay for you right now?
$5.50.
That's good.
Exactly. How much you pay?
$9.50.
Yeah, right then. All right. That's a mortgage in PA.
Yeah, Jersey's high as hell.
It is, and that's one of the things. That's too much. No.
Yeah. I feel you, but one of these days I hope you do, because everybody's down here. Everybody. You know what I'm saying? But I know you got friends and stuff down there, so.
Yeah, and school.
I'm saying you've been going to school?
Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm just taking 2 online classes this semester, so it's not bad. It's just when I have, I'm not looking forward to having to take
Micro what?
biology. That's what I don't want to
biology, that shit was hard, so I can imagine microbiology.
do. I hate working with microscopes. It's annoying. I don't like it.
So how long you got? Oh yeah, y'all want something to drink?
I'm good. Dude, you got mad red cups for no reason.
Right, that's so so I don't mess up a bunch of dishes.
I see.
No dishes. I got plates too. That cut down on me having, all that, making a bunch of dishes. It's like, and I mean, plus it's time management too. You don't have to keep, washing dishes over and over and over and over.
Yeah, I usually just have paper plates.
Yeah, did you see that joint right there?
What? Why you got another TV in
That's
the kitchen
when I'm in
though?
here cooking.
Right.
So I can sit back and watch TV. Yeah, got like Netflix on it, man.
Mad bougie.
Yeah, I'm telling you, listen, man, I was gonna have something over here, but Auntie and Mom was acting all crazy, acting like they ain't no dick. No, that was Auntie Phoebe acting crazy.
No, that was funny.
What?
That was funny. No, because the group chat was going off. That was funny. The group chat.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah,
all those
yeah.
things. That was funny.
Yeah,
Oh, and by the way, how come what?
Let me get it.
Here.
I'll take over.
Alright, try your hand on vlogging. Now,
yeah, I'm bringing some juice. Like, I'm not cooking nothing.
why can't you cook?
I could.
Hey everybody, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my birthday, April 12th. Oh, my forehead look big. Ooh. Anyway, today's my birthday, April 12th, and sorry, today's my birthday, April 12th. Anyway, my Instagram is at Woalia. Come on, clear up. It's not clearing up, but it's WOAHALIYAH, and that's all together, no spaces, no dots, no none of that. And yeah, future actress in the making. I'm about to get the sticks back to Diamond the Dinosaur, so it was nice meeting y'all, my fans. It's like,
Listen, I was gonna give you $20, right?
what happened?
But I ain't got $20.
Yes, you do.
But I got $15. Oh, you don't want
I'll
this?
take it.
Girl.
Like I said, you
No.
giving her a lot more than you got me for my birthday. I'm just saying.
But please.
Girl, it's not about you. It's my birthday. We're not
First of all, I don't care what it is.
But listen.
You're gonna be over at my house this weekend,
okay, I
Brad.
can go to someone else's.
But look, this is the thing. When you, like I told you, stop complaining. But when your birthday come around, remind me ahead of time. And when you come down, I'll take you to this restaurant. When I tell you this restaurant is popping, this shit ain't like nothing you ever seen before.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's in Philadelphia. When we go up there, we'll be at like all the way up to the top, and you can look over the city at night. Night, yeah, that shit is really nice.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just remind me. It's called R2L.
I will remind you.
Cause I had it in the pickle jar. I got a savings joint. I got. Let me show y'all. That's what I told the lady at the dentist. Cause I got the money out of my jar. I went to the I said, yeah, it smell like pickles because I had it stashed in the pickle jar.
Oh my gosh. No, because what the issue was is that he said the brakes were bad and the car couldn't start up by itself. And I was like, well, I'm like 99% sure it was the battery, mind
How the fuck
you.
you get it on? When he drugged that bitch down the highway? God damn.
I don't know, but he got it back down. The dude was like, oh, it's a lemon. It's gonna, I think he said it was gonna take like $2,000 to fix or something like that.
What kind of car is it?
It was a Hyundai Santa Fe, something like that.
Okay.
But what ended up happening to me though with my car is that when I took it to the place that I used to take my car to, they tried to say like I needed my brakes and my rotors fixed and something else, and they were trying to say it was gonna be like $1,500 to fix. So I talked to one of the minister's wives.
Listen. Y'all have look. You need to call me.
Okay, but you didn't let me finish my story.
You got a whole big brother and a dad.
Cause I went to Firestone and they gave me like a whole list.
Don't ever go to
And
Firestone.
I learned my lesson with them. But basically, I told him, oh, this is what they said was wrong with it. So he looked at the car and he was like, no, XYZ is wrong with your car. He was like, it's your brakes and rotors. So altogether, it was literally, I think with the parts and the labor, I think it was like 4 something. And so 4 something compared to 15
Yeah, it's
is a big difference. Hey guys, so we made it home safe, thank God. I'm super tired. I took all my makeup off besides my brows because without makeup they look a hot mess. But yeah, I got my cute little headscarf. I actually got this from Family Dollar for like $3, so I'm shocked, but it's so cute. So there's that, and then I'm just wearing a regular old t-shirt with my necklace. Are you done?
Oh my god. Oh no. Girl.
Are you done?
Who told you this?
Are you done?
You're a baby, it is.
Okay, that was how many years ago? That was when I was still in high school. I'm 22. I've been out of high school for like 4 years
You
now.
hype.
I am hype because I'm grown. Hallelujah.
You're not grown.
Right,
You're 2 years old.
right,
I have to come down here and take care of you.
right. So, hence the person that didn't drive.
Yeah, because I was tired. So.
Right.
Trying to do some DIYs, yo. You're out of pocket.
First of all, that was dumb long ago. Like, she did try to
Still be
critique.
trying to do DIYs.
She did got the audacity to try to sit up here and judge my Instagram pictures that I took
I was helping
years
her out.
ago.
I was helping her out. I was
Right.
trying to give her some advice because her pictures.
No,
ain't
you
cut.
try to. No, you was trying to
Her
cut.
pictures ain't cut it. These
No,
days.
you try to come at me from pictures I
Nah.
uploaded like 4 or 5 years ago.
I
That's
still gotta
why.
order. That's the thing. Like,
What's the problem with them still being on there?
Because that was like 10 years ago. Like, girl.
Anyways,
You see my
she.
Instagram? It got 5 posts. I delete everything because I can't be out here.
What the heck is wrong with you? That's like how you expect people to want to follow you if you dead always deleting your pictures?
Well, I don't delete them. I archive them actually just in case I want to put them back up. So.
Right, like you look slow. How the heck you expect? How you have 5 pictures?
I restarted. And I don't post much. I post.
I can
this
tell
was in
you do.
April
I can tell you
last
don't.
year.
I can tell you don't post
This was
much
in November.
because you be deleting everything
This
you be
was
posting.
in February. This was in March. I post every month, once a month.
Right.
But I'm changing that because
Yeah, you need to change
I'm
that.
cute. So,
Right.
anyways.
Okay. You cute. Oh, look at you, little baby. That's my daughter, guys.
Like,
I
did not come out that
we
way.
all lie and
I did
say
not come out of that
we all
way,
lie and
bro.
say that she's my sister because I was too young when I gave birth to
I did
her.
not come out of that thing. So,
Yeah, she doesn't believe us, but it's like a family secret that
no,
like
it's really not.
right, like she turned 15 today. I'm 22. You know, she's my
So
daughter.
you was what, like 7?
Yep, you're my daughter.
Yeah, see, like,
You're my daughter. Yep, you are my daughter. You are my child. My
Okay.
child.
Okay, you wish.
Like we sound exactly the same.
You
Like,
wish.
isn't she my
Nah, 'cause-
child? She's my child. Look at her. And yeah, so I'm basically ending the vlog. I almost forgot to end it, and again, I'm tired. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit all over the place, but yeah, my sister is gonna be with me this whole weekend.